Hello children, now we are doing the seventh problem. I have skipped fifth and sixth because those two are similar to that of the fourth problem as we have discussed in our previous video. So I came to seventh. When a spring is stretched by 2 cm, it stores 100 joules of energy. If it is stretched further by 2 cm, find the increase in stored energy. This is the question. So let us solve this one by just going through the basics. So what was he given when a spring is stretched by 2 cm? So let me say initial expansion in the string. Initial expansion is given by x1 is equals to 2 centimeter. X1 is equals to 2 centimeter. So now the stored energy in a spring, stored energy of a spring, we already know the formula. Stored energy in spring, that is nothing but restoring energy, whatever you can just say, is given by half k x square. So now this energy was given initially how much? Initially the energy is given 100 joules. So 100 is equals to half into k into x square, right? X is nothing but your initial expansion, that is 2 centimeter. So converting it into meters, 2 by 100 meter whole square. So let us find out the k value. What is k here? Force constant or spring constant you can say. So finding the k value, k is equals to, this 2 goes to there, so 2 into 100 into, this is also 100 square, right? In the denominator goes to their numerator, so 100 into again 100 whole divided by 2 square, it is nothing but 4. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are you can do, and 2 ones are, this is 2 50s are. So overall you will get k value as 5 into 10 to the power of 5. This is your force constant. If you want to write the units for this, what is that spring force? Already we know F is equals to kx. From this k is equals to what you will get? F by x, that is Newton per meter. So spring constant is 5 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter. So you got spring constant now. Now let us draw the diagram children here. What is this diagram? So initially where the spring was there, let me suppose this is the initial position of the spring or a block attached to the spring. To show the expansion in easiest way, I have drawn this one. So this is your initial position and let me say this is your reference line. So firstly it was stretched through how much? 5 centimeter. So consider this is your initial expansion. So this is your normal position, this is its initial expansion. So what is this initial expansion? Given 5 centimeter. So using this 5 centimeter, sorry 2 centimeter, sorry children, 2 centimeter, and using this one everything 2 centimeter, and using this formula we have calculated the force constant. Now it was stretched further by another 2 centimeter. So how can you see the diagram, or the spring will be in this way? It got stretched further more by 2 more centimeter. So this is its final position. Again with respect to the previous position, it is stretched 2 centimeter more. So from the original position of the spring, you can say this is your x1 and this whole thing is your x2. So from this figure you can write the values as x1 already given how much? 2 centimeter, and x2 from this figure we can say that is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So now what was he asking? Find the increase in stored energy. Increase in a stored energy. So therefore change in the energy. Therefore change in the energy is equals to half into k into x2 square minus x1 square. Already we have this formula. So let us substitute all the values. Half into k value how much? Just now we calculated 5 into 10 to the power of 5 into x2 square. x2 is 4 centimeter, right? So squaring and converting it into SI system, we get 16 by 10,000 minus x1 square. x1 is 2 centimeter, square will be like 4 by 10,000, so 100 square, that is in meters. So overall 16 minus 4 will be 12, and that is equals to half into 5 into 10 to the power of 5 into 12 divided by 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of 4 and 5 get cancelled, 1 will be remaining, and 2 ones are 2 6 are. So overall change in the energy or excess increase in the energy is given by 5 into 6 30, 30 into 10 to the power of 1 300. 300 joules of energy is more or excess required to expand or stretch the spring from 2 centimeter to another 2 centimeter, that is overall 4 centimeter expansion from its original or normal position. Thank you, children.